Hello and welcome to the Leeds Physiotherapy Clinic. My name is Sarah Field and I'm one of the physiotherapists. Now our clinic is based in beautiful Park Square and we're on the north side of the square, about halfway along, and each side of the square is labelled with a sign so you will be able to find us easily. Now we're a basement clinic and you need to be looking down at pavement level and you'll see the sign on the front wall of our house saying Leeds Physio Clinic. So why don't you come with me and we'll have a look around inside. This is the reception area of the Leeds Physio Clinic. As you can see, it does look rather bare. We've had to remove a lot of soft furnishings and all paper. Now this is because we're conforming to our professional body's guidelines on COVID hygiene measures. And this is for your protection and for the protection of our staff. So when you come through the door, we will ask you immediately to use our medical grade sanitizer before you touch anything. We are not actually using the waiting room, so we would ask you to come in only at your appointment time and you will be shown immediately into a treatment room. There's a chair behind the door and we would ask you to sit down on that chair. So let's go and have a look inside the treatment room. Here we are in the treatment room. Now just to reassure you that everything in this treatment room can be wiped down. The pillows are covered in plastic and we wipe the treatment room in between patients, including the chair and the door handles. Now when you come in the room, we ask you to take a seat and as soon as possible, our therapist will join you and they will come into the room wearing full PPE. Now, if you look elsewhere on our website, you'll probably see some shots of our therapists all dressed in their PPE. But it does mean a mask, a visor and an apron, and for some of our therapists, gloves. All our staff have been trained in the COVID hygiene measures, and our therapists have been trained on how to put on their PPE and how to remove it safely. And all clinical waste is disposed of each evening after the clinic has closed. We not only follow all the guidelines as laid down by our professional bodies, but we follow the government guidelines as well regarding COVID. And when you ring up to make an appointment, you will be asked some COVID screening questions. Now, if you prefer, you can have a video appointment or even a home visit. And if you need further information, please give us a call and we can fill in some details for you. So we really do look forward to welcoming you here, even in these very, very difficult circumstances.